Welcome to Genex Projects, a trusted global manufacturer and exporter of innovative food processing machinery. Presenting our DryXpert Fluidized Bed Dryer, designed to give you perfect drying results every time. The dryer features a 6 feet wide drying chamber, double-walled and insulated with mineral wool panels to minimize heat loss and optimize performance. A full-width feed conveyor equipped with a food-grade stainless steel belt and leveler and spreader ensures uniform product distribution onto the tray system. This uniform feed is critical to achieving consistent fluidization and drying results. The journey continues as particles move across perforated trays in the upper circuits. As they reach the fluidization zone, high-pressure hot air is introduced through a stainless steel slotted grid with guide vanes, creating the perfect fluidized bed. Once the drying process is complete, the product is discharged through a pneumatic rotary discharge valve. This ensures no escape of hot air during discharge, faster dehydration, clean and controlled exit of dried product. With simple controls, you can adjust drying speed and time based on the product you're processing. That means better results and less wastage, no matter the size of your operation. The key features of the Static Fluidized Bed Dryer are hygienic stainless steel construction, efficient fuel and power usage, automation ready, easy and fast cleaning and maintenance, uniform drying with low operational cost. Whether you're drying spices, fruits, vegetables, herbs, or other food products, the combination dryer gives you the control and consistency you need to deliver quality at scale. Join hundreds of satisfied clients across the world who trust Genex Projects for their food processing needs. Dry better. Work smarter. Grow faster with Genex. Contact us today to see how the combination dryer can add value to your business. Mail us today at commercial@foodtechprojects.com. or visit us at www.foodtechprojects.com to know more.